We're going to the park to see some giant friends. We'll see the mighty T-Rex and Stegosaurus too. We're going on a fun ride at the Dino Park. We will see some dinos roar and stomp. Hooray! He's the Ultrasaurus. He eats plants and trees. His ultra-long neck reaches up to 3 stories. He's one of the biggest dinos in ever to exist. When he stomps and roars, it's hard for you to miss. Hey! He's Triceratops, it's Greek for 3-horned face. His very big head takes 7 feet of space. He's not a giant killer, he is a plant eater. He fights with the T-Rex, but he's a lot sweeter. Bye-bye, Triceratops! The duck-billed dino, he's Parasaurolophus. He's got 1,000 teeth and he's herbivorous. The crest on his head is as big as a man. His weight on the scale is as much as a car. Hey! See plates on his body, he's the Stegosaurus. His brain's like a walnut, but his body is enormous. He's heavy as a van when you put him on the scale. When danger gets close, he whacks with his tail. Hooray! The king of the dinos, he's the mighty T-Rex. His very big brain is yet another feature. He's got super sharp teeth and a very strong bite. If you're Triceratops, stay